Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. I'll keep it very brief because there isn't really a lot happening at the moment. I think we're heading into the weekly candle close, obviously, so we can take a quick look at the weekly chart. We can see that, if I zoom in, this is a very much indecisive weekly candle. Have you actually seen that? Massive doji candle here. High volatility of the current weekly candle between 1220 roughly to 1400, so a lot happened this week. The thing is, it's absolutely indecisive here, so I think today, that's probably why we don't see a lot of movement towards the weekly candle close. There should be a lot of movement, and we will have a decision how the market is going to move in the next few weeks. So this is something worth mentioning and worth keeping an eye on. Important to understand, we're heading here also similar to Bitcoin into an apex of some kind of a triangle. A symmetrical triangle. You could argue it's a trend continuation pattern, but in the end you don't know if something is breaking out until it really happens. And here, if we take a look at the height of the triangle, the imminent target, just to give you a guide, would be to the downside around 1220, to the upside it would be around 1440. And overall, my view is it would be great if we get another low. Yeah, that would fulfill nicely the 5 waves that we had down from the high of around 1700. That is when I will accumulate some more in anticipation of a trend reversal in a wave 3. But as I said, the low could already be in. If that's the case, yeah, which I told you, because we reached the target area, if that's the case, we need to see a break above 1400. And then what I will do is wait until this wave 1 plays out. Of course, you could also trade the breakout, but that is always more risky and more, let's say you're further away from support, so you need to manage your position size well. And I would then go in again in a wave 2 of the wave 3 that should take us eventually to around $3,000. So that's where we are, waiting for the breakout here. Have that triangle on your radar, and maybe today we'll see some more, then I will update you. But at the moment there simply isn't anything to add really to my last video other than the weekly candle, which is looking really interesting. So yeah, I think we're heading here into something like we're getting condensed down, volatility is reducing like a spring that is compressed, so it will basically explode in one direction. And I gave you the key targets. Important to understand is the $1,400 level is sort of the invalidation point here for the move down. I mean, of course you could argue that this would still be in some kind of an extended wave 4, but here, yeah, but in the end the first call would then be that the low was already in. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.